In this video, we'll talk more about the core idea of Git, which is version control. We'll cover topics such as how to view commit history or how to go back to a particular version of the working directory. So here I could see this is what my demo.r file looks like right now. And if I want to see some of my past commits, I would go to terminal and type git log. And so here I could see some of my past commits, and I could scroll down and I could just type Q in the terminal to exit. And if I want to see a more concise version of my git log, I could do git log dash dash one line. So that just tells me, again, the same thing, all of my past commits, but now in a more concise version. And these are the commit hash that go with each of these commits. So now suppose I want to temporarily go back in history to check out the previous version. So suppose I want to see what my code looks like before we do all the branching and explore the Swiss data. So suppose I want to go back to this particular commit. So what I would do is I could use the command git checkout followed by this commit hash over here. So now if I open my demo.r code, I could see that all of the changes regarding the Swiss dataset is gone because I so-called like travel back in time to that previous version before I explored the Swiss data. So suppose I want to now go back to this current version that I have, I would just do git checkout master to switch back to the master branch. And here I could see this edits that I had regarding the Swiss dataset is back.